Hello guys, my name is George Wilkinson and welcome to the Global Scholar YouTube channel. In today's video, I am bringing you a city tour as I like to do after every campus tour video. So this is a city tour from Greenwich. I've just done a campus tour video of the University of Greenwich. So if you haven't watched that, please watch that before you watch this video. In this video, my goal is to just capture the buzz in the city of Greenwich and show it to students, international students who want to study at Greenwich. Let them have a feel of what the city of Greenwich is like. Places to eat, shops, hangout areas, parks, the whole 9 yards. And so I am right in the city center of Greenwich and just trying to capture the action. I tell you what, it's a bit of a sunny cloudy day, but the weather is fine. It's all right, it's just perfect. And I'm just loving the buzz right here in Greenwich. There are lots of people, lots of students also, and the city is alive. It's crazy. It's probably around lunchtime, so everybody seems to be rushing somewhere to get a cup of coffee or lunch or something. But people are on the streets and I love it. If you love it, smash the like button. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm at a very important intersection here in Greenwich. If you look behind me, that's the University of Greenwich behind me, and to the top I'll show you. When you head straight into that direction, you're going to the Greenwich Maritime Museum and the Greenwich Observatory. But this intersection right here, it's where everything meets: the school, the places of interest, the coffees, the bars, everything meets in this intersection right here. And down here, as you can probably see, is Sac, which is like the ship that's way down there. But this right here is a very important intersection. And it's alive, I tell you guys, it's alive. Woo. So I'm going to do two things. I'm going to go grab a cup of coffee, and then when I'm done with the coffee, we'll head over to the Greenwich Observatory. We will breeze through the Maritime Museum, the Queen's House, and then we'll end back at Sac. And that would be the tour of the city of Greenwich in this video, by the way. So let's go. Now our final spot that we are going to visit is the Greenwich Observatory. Now this is up a hill. I'm sure you've heard the famous Greenwich Meridian, the line that cuts the earth into two. So we're going to check out where the line passes. And before we get to the observatory, we must go through the Greenwich Garden, a great expanse of trees, greeneries, green grass. It's just a park. By the River Thames is a lovely scene, lovely spot right here that as a student probably can just come down and just take a stroll, relax and check the place out. The last time I was by Greenwich or I was by Cuttisack, if you can see over there, this side, you can actually catch a boat cruise over on the River Thames all the way to the O2 Arena, which is in North Greenwich, so right over here. So the last time I insert a clip from the last time I took the boat ride, I was able to catch the boat ride all the way to North Greenwich, where we got off to the O2 Arena. So it's a fantastic opportunity to take advantage of if or whenever you are in Greenwich or you're in Cuttisack or you decide to study at the University of Greenwich.